Can you learn to paint by reading about painting? Real skills are built by doing, not just by studying. The same goes for coding. That's why Code.AI transforms learning through an immersive, project-based approach. Students complete 18 to 20 exciting projects each year using a variety of software and coding tools. Each project requires them to first use and explore the software or tool, then think and plan steps for their project, and finally build and create the project. From designing smart home apps to quizzing websites to developing AI-driven chatbots, these projects reflect the technologies shaping our future. With Code.AI, students don't just code, they create, innovate, and prepare to lead in a tech-driven world. Code.AI, turn your students into technology creators, one project at a time.